Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day, Libra, is elevation. Elevate, elevate, elevate. I need your spirit. I need your mind, body, spirit, your whole entire thinking and being to be as high as the solar system. Positivity is high as the solar system, outside into the universe where no one can actually throw any rocks or shoot you down. No, I need you to be outrageously positive and outrageously radically positive, because as the rules of the universe are, what we have inside of us, what we reflect, is what we bring in. We need blessings, manifestations. You're ready for the next stage. You're ready to bless your business. You're ready to bless your new lifestyle. You're ready to turn your what you feel on the inside onto the outside and transcend and make sure that it reflects onto the outside part. And the only way you can do that is staying in a positive frequency, and make sure you think of, even if it seems impossible, anything is possible. If it crossed your mind, it can be done. So you could be in a shelter today, in a mansion tomorrow. Have that type of faith and guarantee you're going to see radical changes. I free myself from fear, because fear fears you. Once you look in an eye, I guarantee it'll turn around and will run away, and then you continue to thrive. And I trust the universe. You're in the right place, the right time, with the right thinking, doing the right actions. As long as you stay positive. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me, because you're so beautiful. That's why you got to this point of elevation and getting everything that you want. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise above all doubt, resentment, guilt. You are a magnet. The rules of the universe: resentment, guilt, grudge, unforgiveness, that will bring you more trials, tribulations, and lessons on why you need to let things go. You need to just stay in your positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, and love, prosperity. Therefore, you transcend into the greatest place that you've been imagining is going to be better than what you've expected. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. I love you.